How to add a pink border on your Instagram profile pic. So hello, this is me Khushbu Sen, and now I'm going to show you guys how to add a pink border on your Instagram profile pic. So please watch the video till the end. So let's get started the video. Number one, we are going to Chrome browser firstly. Also, guys, you can also download it and making a pink border photo and upload it your profile pic with a border. So if you like the video, please like, comment, share with this video, please. And thank you.